Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and use Redis on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Redis? So Redis is an open source in-memory data structure store which is also used as a cache or a message broker in various applications, right? So it's basically a key value pair database. Mostly I use it as a caching layer in my applications. You can also use it as a message broker. So let's see how we can install Redis. So when you go to your favorite browser and search for install Redis, the first link which you will see here will be from redis.io, and here you can see the title installing Redis. So just click on that title and then you have this install Redis on Linux link here. So I'm going to click on this link and you have the procedure on how you can install Redis on your Ubuntu operating system. So if you want to use apt install to install Redis, then these are the commands. If you are installing Redis on a Docker container, you might need this prerequisite to install Redis, because in some containers you have some minimal distributions, right? I generally prefer the second option, which is installing Redis using the snap package manager, right? So the command is easy. Snap already comes with the newest version of Ubuntu, so you can just give the single command and Redis will be installed. So I'm going to copy this sudo snap install Redis and then open my terminal. So to open the terminal, I can just press Ctrl Alt T on my Ubuntu operating system and it opens the terminal, or you can go to the application and click on terminal and it's going to open the terminal. Just paste the command, which is sudo snap install Redis, press enter and give your Ubuntu's password which you use to log into your Ubuntu operating system, and then press enter, which is going to start the installation of Redis on your Ubuntu operating system. It will be finished really fast. So Redis is installed on your Ubuntu operating system. So once Redis is installed using the snap command, you can enable Redis using snap itself, right? So just write sudo snap enable and then Redis. It's going to enable the Redis service, right? Now in order to start the Redis using snap, you can just write sudo snap start and it's going to start Redis, right? So you can see Redis has been started, right? If you want to stop it, you can use stop command. If you want to restart Redis, you can just use restart command and it's going to restart the Redis service using snap, right? So these are few commands you can use to enable and start Redis using snap, because we have installed Redis using snap on our Ubuntu operating system, right? So once Redis service is running, you can also check the status also by using this command sudo snap services, right? So just give sudo snap services. It's going to show you all the statuses of all the services which you have installed using snap, right? So Redis server is already here and it's enabled and its current status is active, right? Now how to connect to the Redis server? So in order to connect to the Redis server, you have this command. Generally, if you have installed the Redis using apt install, you would use redis-cli, right? But if you have installed Redis using snap, this command will not work. So you can see this command is not recognized because you need to use redis.cli if you have installed Redis using Snap, right? So just write redis.cli and you are connected to your local Redis server, right? I can just press Ctrl C in order to come out of this CLI. If you want to give the same name, or if you want to use same name, right, like redis hyphen CLI, you can create an alias for redis.cli, right? So just write sudo snap alias, then the name of our redis CLI is redis.cli, and then just writes redis hyphen CLI and then press enter. So the alias is created, and now you can use redis hyphen CLI to connect to your Redis server and use it like this. Okay, so this is how you can use Redis on your Ubuntu operating system. If you are not happy with the alias, you can also unalias it by just giving this command unalias and then give this redis hyphen CLI, and it's going to unalias it, right? So let me just use redis CLI, and then when you give here ping command, it's going to in turn give you the pong output. This is how you know that Redis is working fine, right? As I said, Redis is a key value pair database, for example. So you can set a value for any key by using the set command. So just write set and then the name of your key. Let's say the name of the key is test and the value is my value, for example, right? So just write my value and then press enter. So we have created a key called test and its value is my value, right? In order to get the value of test key, just write get and the name of the key, which is test, and it's going to give you the value for that key, right? You can just write exit to exit out of your Redis CLI, and from now on you can just use Redis CLI to interact with your Redis server on your Ubuntu operating system. So this is how you can download, install and use Redis on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.